A dead blower motor on a hot day needs fast, precise troubleshooting to avoid wasted time and money. Start by confirming power at the furnace or air handler with a multimeter set to measure voltage and ensure you know where the primary disconnect is. Next, check the blower motor capacitor by switching the multimeter to capacitance and comparing to the value printed on the capacitor can, replacing it if the measured value is more than 20% low or if it shows visible bulging or leakage. Measure motor winding resistance with the resistance function to spot an open or shorted winding, and verify motor bearings by turning the shaft by hand to feel grinding or drag. Inspect control signals from the thermostat and control board by observing that the expected voltage arrives at the motor when the system calls for fan operation, and use a Techmate Pro or equivalent to test electronic control motors such as electronically commutated motors, following the manufacturer test steps and noting diagnostic LEDs or error codes. Always disconnect power before probing wiring or swapping components, and wear safety gloves and eye protection. And keep an insulated screwdriver handy for secure terminal work. Finally, consult wiring diagrams for the unit to trace common inline leads and to confirm correct capacitor wiring and motor rotation. The three most common problems are a bad capacitor, failed motor windings, and incorrect control or power supply. A failing capacitor typically shows a slow start or no start and is replaced easily by matching microfarad rating and voltage. Discharge it safely and replace with the same specifications. Winding failures show open or very high resistance and require motor replacement or professional rewinding, so verify with resistance checks before ordering parts. Control or power issues often come from loose terminals, failed relays, or incorrect thermostat signals, and those are solved by tightening connections, testing relays or boards with the Techmate Pro, and verifying the thermostat is configured to run the fan. On BigHomeProjects.com, we help homeowners find trusted local contractors by providing project listings and a community where members share real troubleshooting experiences and recommendations. We also help contractors find work by connecting them with local leads and an active discussion community for sharing tips and building reputation.